and I love you so. People ask me how I lived till now. I tell them I don't know. I guess they understand how lonely life has been. But life began again the day you took my hand. And yes, I know how lonely life can be. The shadows follow me, and the night won't set me free. I don't let the evening get me down. Now that you're around me. Well, hi there pluckers, Ivor Sawfingers again with you. Thanks indeed for joining me for another hopefully interesting lesson. That was my take on the classic song from Don McLean and Perry Como, Elvis Presley, you name it. They've all done it, a song called And I Love You So, okay? It's sort of my take on it. It's a sort of, not anybody's in particular version, just a mishmash of styles, everything, just so my own take on it basically. So I'm not trying to copy anybody. So starts off standard tuning, no capos, and starting off with a C chord and going to C, and then going to a suspended chord, adding my pinky to the 3rd fret of the 4th string, okay? So that's down all the way from 5 down to 2. Add your pinky to the 4th fret, 3rd fret of the 4th string, sorry. 4, 3, 2, 3. Take the suspension off, just strum on a C, okay? In the song you can, and I love her, or love you, and I love you, D minor 7th. So it's like an F chord without the 3rd finger, 4th string open, okay. Just basically I'm picking most of the time, okay, just arpeggiating. G, people ask me how. That's just a C, and then I run down to A minor, hitting that 3rd on the 5th, 2nd on the 5th, open A string, 5th string, A minor 7th. Okay, so far. And I love you so. People ask me how I've lived till D minor 7th now. Stay there. I tell them G, I know, suspended. Just pink, 1st finger going on the 1st fret of the 2nd string, okay. On and off, okay. Stop. Start the next verse. I guess stay under D minor 7th. Down. G, how lonely life has. C, run down again to A minor 7th. But life began at D minor 7th again. And then you go to an F. So life began. So let's do it again, just so guess you understand. D minor 7th, G. How lonely life has. C, down to A minor. Life began at D minor 7 again. F, the day you took my C. Suspended, just like the intro. And now we're going to the chorus bit. Okay, and that's C, and yeah, I know. That's the way I'm playing it anyway. There's different ways of playing this song, but this is the way I'm doing it. C to C augmented. And all you do is keep those two fingers from the C where they are, and the first finger, instead of just playing in the first fret of the second string, you bar third string and the second string on the first fret, and just play 5 down to 2. So it's C, and then you just bar the third string and the second string on the first fret. C augmented. Don't hit the first string, or you can if you want, but it's difficult if you've got a bar on it. So I don't think you can. Okay, just play 5 down to 2. Okay, so yes, I know, C augmented. How D minor 7th lonely that can be. G, the shadows follow me. And C, and then suspended off again, just like the intro. Night won't let me be. But I C augmented with let D minor 7th, let me get me down. G, now that you're around. Intro, C, suspended, C, next verse, next chorus. Okay, so there you have it. That's my version of this song. Okay, play as slow as you like. It's quite nice, easy to just, you know, keep your own time with this in a way. Do your own thing with it. Okay, so let's go through the whole thing again. And I love you so. People ask me how I live till now. Tell them I don't know. I guess they understand how lonely life has been. But life began again the day you took my hand. And yes, I know how lonely life can be. The shadows follow me, and the night won't set me free. But I don't let the evening let me down. Now that you're around me. Something like that. Get the idea. Anyway, that's my take on it. Thanks very much for watching this, and I shall see you in the next video. Bye for now.